Hi, my name is Kimatina, and this screencast will show you how to attach a PDF file to an OnCourse Classroom assignment and use the Kami workflow on a Windows computer. So you need to be watching this video if you're using a Windows computer. If you're on a different device, a Chromebook or a Mac, stop the video right now. Okay, so here we go. I am logged into my Google Drive, as you can see here, and I want to distribute this PDF file, add in like and unlike integers, to my students in OnCourse Classroom as a Kami workflow. So what I recommend to do is to download this file to your local device. And in order to do that, you can click on it once to highlight it, and then you can go to the three-dot menu here, or you can simply right click on this file. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to select download. And when you click on download, it's going to download into the Files Explorer application through the Windows platform. So down here on my taskbar, you can see that there is a Files Folder app or icon. I am going to click on that, and it's going to open up my File Explorer app. And in here, you're going to see a folder tree. And what you need to do is go into your downloads folder. So you're going to click on your downloads folder, and there is the PDF file. Okay, so I just wanted you to realize that's where all of your downloads go. When you download a file from your drive on a Windows computer, it goes into your downloads folder. So now what I want to do is get this PDF file into an assignment in OnCourse Classroom. So I'm going to switch over to OnCourse Classroom, and I'm going to click on New Assignment, and you can see here I am in my assignment details. And I recommend you always put in directions here in this text box. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on My Computer. And when you select My Computer, you see your folder tree, and you want to go into your Downloads folder and select the PDF file that you just downloaded from Google Drive. You click Open. And if you want this to be a Kami workflow, please make sure that the Kami icon or the purple pencil is displayed here, and that will allow that PDF file to be distributed amongst your students. If you want it to be a resource only or a read only file, then click that little down arrow and select resource only. And now you can see that it changed to a PDF. So depending on what you want to do with your students, make sure you're mindful of this icon. And when you're all done, you click Save and Publish, and your students will receive the assignment. I hope you found this screencast helpful.